Hello everyone, you are welcome. My name is Udebe Joseph and this is the first video in a Math 111 tutorial series created especially for first year university students. So I run physical tutorial sessions with a small group of 100 level students at the University of Uyo, and the goal is simple: to cover the full Math 111 course outline and prepare you to ace this course. The reason I am doing this is because I want to break down the topics in a clear and easy way. I believe that mathematics is not difficult in itself. It only starts to feel difficult when the foundations are not well understood. Once those basics are solid, everything else becomes much easier. This series is built from hands-on tutorial sessions I teach in a small group. First, identify where students struggle and then break those areas down here clearly and step by step so that many more students can benefit. Oh yeah, let's begin.